here with Beck, and this is a revisit because a lot of you were super interested in Wright tools. They're U.S.A. made.
Made in Ohio. Steel comes from Ohio. They're manufactured in Ohio.
We did this demonstration, and some of you weren't convinced. Came back to have Beck do it over for you so you could see it.
Absolutely.
Or do I have to do it?
No, well, you're going to do it, but I'll explain what it is first. So this is a grade 8 fastener, and it's mounted in one of our torque wrenches. And what we're going to do here is we're going to have you take some competitive wrenches.
Yes.
We're going to have you strip it, and then we're going to see if you can turn it with ours. So I've got Snap-on, Proto, Craftsman.
We'll do it. We can use them all, can we?
Snap-on?
The one that they complained about was my Snap-on wrench would never do that. I'm like, oh,
So
whatever.
Snap-on's first. So start up kind of high because I'm going to have you turn it. So turn it until you strip it. So you're going to have to put a little effort into it. All right, so you took a nice chunk out of it.
See it?
See right there? All right, let's put the SK on the same flat.
SK.
See if you can get it to turn
So
anymore.
I should be on this
Yep,
flat.
same flat. See if you can get any more out of it. All right, so you took a little more material off, didn't really turn anymore. How about, here's a Black Hawk. Put the Black Hawk on the same flat.
Should I put the Black Hawk down?
All right, so turned a little bit more. I mean, that is good and rounded off now.
I'd say so.
All right, how about Craftsman? We'll see if we can get any more out of it. All right, so a little bit more. So you're not going to be able to turn that anymore, right? That fastener's boogered up.
It looks like it to me.
Standard issue, Wright tool 9/16 with Wright grip 2.0. No extra cost. Same flat.
Same flat.
Yep. Give it a turn.
Am I supposed to be able to like?
See how much more it turned?
Oh,
But
yeah.
but it's not slipping off.
No,
You
not
can
at
let
all.
go of it. Look at that. All right, so what's happening here? On the mouth of our wrench, see those etched grooves in there?
Yeah.
All right.
Biting in there.
So this Wright grip is those etches, and it's the shape of the mouth of the wrench. So what we do is we put all of the torque on the flats of the fastener. Every wrench you just used and every wrench you've ever used before turns on the tips. So that same technology, which is called Wright drive on our sockets, turns on the flats, not on the tips. So to a guy in a factory working on an old piece of machinery that's already rusted up, means he's going to be able to fix it. But to a guy on a tower, that means he's not going to have a potential injury, slip, fall.
My hand's kind of injured because it didn't slip. Look at that. Look at that. I think I got a black and blue. Beck, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Hope you're all believers now.